Good morning, fellow mechanic. This is the 607G Caterpillar Mark machine scraper. This is new paint, new sticker, new revolve machine. This machine now is ready to go. Testing and adjustment has been done. All the implements is working. Hydraulic system, steering system, oil level, coolant level, temperature is normal. Shifting of the gun from under. This is 20 engine machine. Calibrating of the front and rear machine, synchronizing has been done. On this type of machinery, my friend machine mechanic, I can't rebuild this one without the support from the company, the confidence from the manager, the trust and confidence from the managers, help of my fellow working here, from supervisor, third machine from this company, and then there is another two machine, the same model scraper 6 to 7G. But it's not only the scraper available from this company. There is two compactor, one dozer, overhaul machine, a dozer, triple power crane. This kind of machine, my hero mechanic, my diamond mechanic, it is easy to do if you understand how to do, how to work, what is the procedure. But for me, I always following the manufacturer procedure, working procedure, safety and working procedure, and follow the safety working procedure of the company rules, and ask advice from my working, my fellow mechanics. What is the best thing to do for safety for us and also the machine or component going to do. It's nice and beautiful. The painter for this machine is a carpenter. And then if you look, the yellow what is shine, the Caterpillar it's very beautiful and shine because they are using carpet, I think. Joe Fishing and Mechanic. watching so that you can update my next video episode. Thank you my friend for watching. Magandang araw sa ating lahat mga kapwa ko mekaniko, mga bagong mekaniko. Ito yung inassemble kong scraper 6-7D model Caterpillar machine. Ito ay dalawang makina, front and rear power engine. The front engine is 17 and the rear engine is C9 powered by ASA. Mahirap din intindihan yung ginagawa ko. Madali lang, safety. May tamang procedure kung paano ito i-disassemble at saka assemble. Kailangan sumusunod ka sa working procedure. Susunod. Lahat ito ay pagkatapos ng assemble ay kailangan testingin mo at saka i-adjust lahat ng mga components. Titingnan mo, ito ay isang electronic control machine. Makikita mo sa computer o laptop through ET. ET is electronic technician na nakapag-communicate sa SM electronic control module of this machine. Mayroon itong software and service provider at Caterpillar. Yan ang nagkukontrol dito sa lahat ng hydraulic system, transmission at saka engine. Ito ang electronic control. Ito ang tapos na at saka pwede na tumatrabaho ito. May restriction. Bagong sticker, bagong pintura. Lahat ay bago. Subscribe sa account ko. Hindi po din mo kung wala suporta sa